sir. Let's go. I'm basically all I'm going to be doing is trading. So, I don't know if I had this in the last video, but I had like a rideable dinosaur, and then I traded that for a rideable penguin. Then I thought this guy was gonna give me a gold penguin, and then he ended up scamming me. So then I got scammed, and I appreciate that. Now I'm just trying to get something good back from my ginger cat. I got Cole Jr. I don't know if I showed that in the last video. Got toucans. Trade my albino thing. Amazing. That's the best trade I've seen yet. I also might upload a new Subway Surfers today. Not today, eventually soon. Yeah, there's a new season. It's like a haunted Halloween thing season. I bought all the packs. Trade me anything. Lil G. There's a little G. I spelled my own name wrong. You're kidding me. How did I spell my own name wrong though? It doesn't even seem possible. But I did it. How do I spell my own name wrong? That's better. It's not Livid Dagon. Porby. Well, good for you. Literally, I don't care. I will give him myself. I am trading myself for a bat. This probably isn't going to be a long video, because no one likes me in this game. I got 553 candy corn. I bought one of those bat things that I didn't know existed, but then I got one. Now I'm trying to get a ghost bunny. Then I also traded my albino bat. I traded it for. What did I trade my albino bat for? Did I seriously trade it for a rat? I think I did. Wow. So stupid. Okay, let's stick Glyptodon real quick. Hey. Yeah, so I'm gonna film on Subway Surfers video. You'll see. I actually got a lot of characters. Like, the last time I played, I had barely any characters because I was playing on a different account. Now I have my old account from my first video, so now I have all those characters. A lot of characters. I bought all the new packs too. The packs are sick though. They're really cool. I bought basically every single character that has came out. That's actually a lie. You guys will see. After this video, I'm gonna make my Subway Surfers video. This video, I think, might be posted today. And by today, I mean the day I'm uploading it. I mean, making it. And it's not gonna be long, so I mean. Pumpkin Man. Once I actually make a successful trade, I might end it. I'd probably end it before that, though. Amazing! Didn't I trade this person at the beginning of the game? At the beginning of the thing. Or actually, I think I traded him before I started the video. I knew I was gonna get scammed too. I just knew it. I was like, okay, trade me this first, and I'm like, you're scamming me, and he was like, no, 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 I'm not scamming you. Then left the game after I traded it to him. Like he had the golden penguin up, and then he just left. I didn't do anything in this video, but peace, dude.